Hey everyone, welcome back to CraftyPlannerLovR. My name is Megan, and today we are going to be planning in my Hobonichi Weeks dupe planner using this adorable sleepy afternoon kit from SammyLynnPlanning for the week of April 6th through the 12th. I love this collection from SammyLynnPlanning. I think it is so pretty, and I honestly think it is the perfect kit to use for a relaxing week. I'm not going to have a relaxing week, but I think that I want to imitate the vibes in this planner. So this is the kit. Whenever you get a Hobonichi Weeks, you always get this sheet as well as the icons and scripts. So you have those, and then I also got, because I like using the element wash strips in this planner for my Hobonichi Weeks, I also got the element wash strips in the same collection, so that'll add some extra little fun spunk to my planner. I am on SammyLynnPlanning's PR team, so if you use my code Megan20, you'll receive 20% off of your order. This is what my freebie looks like. As you guys know, I never have my freebie because I never remember to order ahead of time, but this is what my freebie looks like, and I'm obsessed with it. So let's go ahead and jump into this spread. Okay, y'all, I'm going to be completely honest with you. I unfortunately forgot to edit my plan with me from last week. So you did see the pictures up on Instagram, and I didn't even fill it out. So no harm. I'm showing you this. This is what it looks like. Yeah. I really liked this spread. This was using Redhead Sticker's Easter Day kit, and it's really pretty. However, I just didn't feel like editing, and I got too far. I just slipped my mind and I didn't edit. So yeah, that's why you didn't see a video last week, but we are going to have this video up when it's supposed to come up, hopefully. So I'm excited to show you guys how I'm planning in this spread. I'm trying to figure out if there are any of these glitter ones that are the same, and I think they're all slightly different. You know what? That's fine, because I'm going to use these as the washi. You know what? No, I'm not. I think... Well, I'm going to try and figure out what I want to do here. I think I'm going to use this as the background. What is this? Oh yeah, that'll work. So when I use the element wash strips, most of the time I will add a little bit of a background color to the spread using the wash strips. That's usually what I will do. Does it work every time? No, it does not. But I think I actually have an example of that. Yes, here. You guys saw this video. I did do it in this spread. So that's a good little example of how I did it in one of my previous spreads using a SammyLynnPlanning kit, in case you were wondering. I think we're going to use the glitter. That would be a cool little usage. That's cute. And you know what I do need to do before I completely forget? I do need to put the washi on the paper. So I think it's going to be the tiny ones, which means I need to move this up just a little bit. My stomach just growled really loud, and I'm going to be really surprised if you didn't hear it, because it sounded like a grizzly bear. Which is very fitting for this spread, because there are little tiny cozy cuddly bears in this kit. I didn't give myself enough room, but it's fine. There we go. And then one across the top up here. Oh my gosh, this is going to be such a cozy, fun spread. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is going to be so pretty. I'm excited about this. I'm very, very excited. Can I say how many times I'm excited before you get annoyed? We'll find out. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's that. I'm gonna do the days of the week and then we'll get to the actual decoration, because that's just how I roll. I like to start with the days of the week. I don't know if Anne got a new printer or what, but this paper has such a nice like feel to it, and it makes me freak out with happiness. I don't know what it is, but it's just so like it feels so nice, and I don't know why. I thought I needed to tell you guys that, but like I did. I needed to tell you how nice this paper feels. So, I always get the regular matte and not premium. I'm almost positive that I always get regular matte and not premium, but I could be very wrong, and I may have gotten premium one time. But this is definitely the regular, and it's so nice. I should probably get the different kinds of paper for you guys one day so you can see like the different versions of the paper that Anne has in her shop, because she's got regular matte, she has glossy paper now, which I really like. I really like that she offers glossy paper. I don't know why I took that sticker off when I'm not going to use it, but it's fine. She has like a lot of really, really nice quality paper. And she has her journaling kits, which I do need to get one eventually, because that is the goal, is to get a journaling kit one day. Because she just came out with them, and I need to know how they work. I need to know how they feel and how they look, because that is just how I am. I like to try out new things. I think we are going to incorporate this green color, because if we don't, I will probably regret it. I think we are going to do a good majority of this over here. Yes, I am overlapping the edges, but I don't really need too much to write in this area, so I'm okay if quite a bit of it gets taken over by decoration, because that's just how I roll. Cool. All right, then what we're going to do here, we are just going to alternate between the people. So we're going to do like that, and then she's going to go right there, because I think that's cool. And then you're going to go here, and then you're gonna go here. That's fun. Okay, let's see. I want this one and this one to go, and then this one and this one to go. I have to have boxes for my to-do lists for the week. They usually have a to plan and a to clean list on my spreads, so gotta keep up with that. Let's do that there. There we go. And I'll do the green one here. Oh, I feel like that was probably too far up. Okay, so we will move you back down a little bit. That's perfect. Okay. Then that's our title, and let's do a pink one. Ooh, yeah, let's do this pink one for this title. Actually, you know what we are going to do is, if I can move this over, we are going to scooch it a little closer to the edge. Perfect. Okay, that way I have enough room for my habits. So then I'm going to take this guy, and we're going to put you here. And then we're just going to do, ooh, I don't like that there. We're going to do that here. Do our little to-do lists. No, we're just gonna put this one here. We're gonna have to move you up though. You're gonna move up a smidge. There you go. There. Okay. Put you right here with your little title. Put that there. And I think our last one, we're gonna put, I feel like it should go here. Yeah, that's perfect. Look at that. That's fun. Okay, we do need something over here, but I do need to put my habit trackers. Oh, the weekend banner. Oops. Okay, well that's okay because we can just scooch. We can scooch you over a little bit and it'll be fine. Come on, let go. There we go. Yes, I realize I ripped the paper, but it's fine. No one will know because I'm going to cover it up with this anyway. So it'll be okay. There. See? Problem solved. Okay, then I need this here. My habits. Let's do not there. Let's do that one there. Do it there. Go. 2 and 3. Cool. And then we're gonna put this week, and then important right here, and then a to do. This to clean list goes here, and then to buy turns into to plan. And then I think we should do a next week. Right there. Okay, now I need something over here, and I think we're going to use this little bear situation because I want to use this, and I think it would be cute. And it did. It turned out really cute. We have a lot of the glitter left, but I'm kind of leaning more towards this. So we're going to do it. This has got snowflakes on it, but like, who cares? Not I. Oh gosh. Okay, so let's do that. That'd be cute. I like that a lot. Alright everyone, that is it for this week in my Hobonichi Weeks catch-all planner using the Sleepy Afternoon Kit from SammyLynnPlanning. Once again, I am on SammyLynnPlanning's PR team, so if you use my PR code Megan20, it'll save you 20% off of your order, and you will receive my awesome freebie for the month of April, and you will also, you know, get some really cute stickers, and I think that that is the main goal. I love her collections, I love her stickers, and I highly recommend you guys check her out. She's got a lot of really awesome items on her Etsy shop, so definitely see all of the different kits and collections that she has. Like I said, she does have the new journaling kit collection as well, so lots of things for you to browse around and see on her Etsy. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys!